Hello and welcome to Gabbett Media once again, and this time we're looking at how to get some free funding. Yes, the title is not clickbait. There's even a chance to win an XP Pen Artist 12 Pro worth $250. You can get free courses, an ArtStation Pro account, and lots more, so continue watching for more information on all these things. First of all, it's important for me to say that I'm being sponsored with this video, so I'm actually being paid to promote this. You can be assured that I won't promote things that I don't believe in, so I've taken a good look at this and I can see a lot of benefits for people, so I'm very happy to be endorsing this. This is a program called ArtStar by XP Pen, and they're offering different kinds of funding to artists, whether it's hobbyists, professionals, studios, it doesn't matter, everyone can apply. If you don't know, XP Pen, the people at the forefront of this initiative, are known for their graphics tablets. I in fact use one of their display tablets, so I really rate the company. So people like XP Pen are inundated with desperate emails from artists saying, "Can you support me?" And often these artists lack funds, equipment or training, but have a huge passion to become the best artist they can. Well, they've actually listened and are offering something back. I suppose without artists, their industry is nothing, so it's really important for them to encourage and motivate future stars, and if they can associate themselves with those stars, then it makes them look good too. So hopefully everyone's a winner here. So what is the program? Well, the program team, together with its partners from various global CG circles, and you can see them on the background screen here, decided to launch the ArtStar program to help those who want to achieve their CG dreams. You'll probably recognise names such as ArtStation, you might recognise Wingfox as well, I've done some reviews for those recently. You might also recognise Zacharias Reinhardt there, who's one of the program supporters. He actually introduced me to this program, so thanks to him. And on that note, definitely check out CG Boost, they do some fantastic courses and resources on their YouTube channel and their site. And I'm not being paid to say that. So what do you get if you sign up? So you can see on the screen here, you can actually get funding for you or your studio, you can get equipment, so graphics tablets and things like that from XP Pen, courses from places like Wingfox, you can get software, and there'll be cross promotions, so traffic to your site or social media pages or whatever you use. So what do you need to show in order to sign up? Well, you need some sort of portfolio, there's no theme requirements, you just need to show your art off. Also, you need a dream plan, and they've got a template on the program homepage, which you can find here. All the links of course are in the description. Now obviously they're keen for people to sign up and for this to be a big success, so they're also offering a prize draw to everyone who watches this video. You could win an XP Pen Artist 12 Pro worth $250, and that's exclusive to this channel and this video. What you have to do is 4 simple things. Number 1, you have to follow ArtStar's official YouTube channel, links in the description. Number 2, you have to follow my channel. It was nice of them to include that for me and help me get some more subscribers. I didn't ask them to do that. Number 3, you have to apply for the ArtStar and mention that I sent you. There'll be a box to fill in for that. And number 4, comment on this video, Artist Pro. So good luck to you with the prize draw. Let me know how you get on signing up and comment below with any other questions you might have. It might be worth reading the comments also so you can see how others found the process. Thanks for watching, I hope this helps and I'll see you next time.